Leafy greens, the best. Why are leafy greens so good? A couple of reasons. Number one, they're loaded with protein. Okay, so if you're worried about protein and you're a vegan, this is where you can get all the protein that you need to build muscle. Protein is not an issue. I can't believe that people still bring it up. Remember, we need very small amounts of protein. In fact, too much protein causes kidney problems. That's why there are so many people on dialysis. They're on too much protein. So you can get all the protein you need right here. What have I got? I've got my kale tree, I call it. Yeah, it's like a tree, this thing. It just keeps producing. I've got my bok choy. Bok choy, I love it. And over there I've got some peppers and some mint and some green onions. I got some pineapples. Usually I'll have a wider variety, but right now I just want to eat all this. So protein is one reason. The next important reason why greens like spinach, like arugula, kale, bok choy, they're so good for you, is because they're excellent sources of dietary nitrates. Nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide helps circulation. It helps open up the blood vessels. You're going to get more blood flow, more oxygen to any area in your body. You need it down to your toes. For people with neuropathy, excuse me, you have to increase that nitric oxide. So it's a good idea, excuse me, like Dr. Caldwell Esselstyn, the famous heart doctor who wrote the book Reverse Heart Disease, says that we should eat 5 helpings. Just take a handful of bok choy or a couple of handfuls, put a little balsamic on it, and do that 4 or 5 times per day. You're going to increase your nitric oxide, open up the blood vessels, get more blood flow. It helps people with neuropathy. It'll help with your cognition. You're going to get more blood flow to the brain. The heart's going to work better. Your athletic performance will improve. Better circulation. More blood flow, more oxygen to the muscles when you're performing. So, you know, you can't beat it right there. That's all you need. You don't have to go the other route with animal protein. You don't need it, really. So how it works is when you eat the leafy greens with the nitrates, then our oral bacteria in your mouth converts the nitrate to a nitrite. And then you swallow this nitrite, and then the stomach acid further converts the nitrite to this nitric oxide. And then the nitric oxide acts as a vasodilator, widening blood vessels for better circulation and reduced blood pressure. If you have high blood pressure, there's the answer right there. And cut back on the animal-based foods. So the top leafy greens, you've got spinach, arugula, kale, Swiss chard, bok choy, lettuce, cabbage, beet greens, and also beets. Beets are excellent for nitric oxide. So that's what I'm doing more of right now. And get those leafy greens in. Your body will thank you. Absolutely. Please subscribe to the channel for more health tips like these. Please give me a like, a thumbs up, and all the best. Have a great one today. Make it a great one. And eat your greens. 4 or 5 portions every day. Small ones, or you could have a big salad. But I like spacing it out too. It's a good idea. So I'll have, you know, green smoothies, and I'll also have my salad at night for sure. So that's the way to get it in. Take care to your health, and fruit up and green up. Green up, yeah.